So background of how I became interested in this field is, I think a lot of it stemmed off of who I hung out with. A lot of my friends were car nerds, and that helped lead me to this path. What I like about this industry is you pretty much get to know everybody that's in the industry. Going to a lot of classes, you see a lot of familiar faces. So being mentored by some of the experienced techs has really helped me grow in this field. James, he's been doing this longer than I've been alive. He's got a whole bunch of tools, so I've really got a good relationship with him. So working for A-1, Lois, our company owner, is really big on it, on knowledge. She's willing to actually pay for a lot of the classes that you go to. She does. I think last year I went to at least 6 classes, and they've all been by real top-notch techs. So with A1, I've had a chance to learn a lot about how to use a lab scope. That's a big one. We actually have a lab scope, which is not many shops can say that. James has been a real help with teaching me how to set it up and use it. We've actually gone to a lot of classes that have been just lab scope, and that's been a big help. Also, got really great benefits. I've recently had a kid, and I actually got paternity leave for that, which is not really something that I know too many places that offer. So for someone looking to go into the automotive repair field, I would strongly recommend A1. I started off with just a baseline of knowledge, and in a couple of years I've gone into a tech level, and I've really been able to hold my own with the other guys, so I feel like this is a good place to start.